This is part 3 of the Sony SL-C9UB Sony Betamax machine. It's all back together, and as you might have seen at the end of part 2, front loading system is working and it's loading the tape fine, but I haven't tested anything else, so let's power it on and see what it's like. So that's that, and let's just change the inputs to, where do we want to go? I think it's that one. And there we go. Yeah, lighting's not the best, sorry. Let's advance forward. This tape isn't actually the best. Sacrificial tape. I know its quality is pretty good of the recording, but yeah, it's pretty good. Let's just turn that so you can see it a bit better. And to be fair, that's sort of what I was hoping. The machine was so tidy that I was hoping it was just literally that front loading system that was the problem. So I have also given it a clean. Yeah, there's that little bit of a knock that these machines get. I might see if I can fix that. Seems to be all okay. Let's cover the light a bit so you that actually does seem very good. So I suppose the next thing is trying a recording. So yeah, I'll just readjust everything and we'll try a recording. So here goes. And I think I can just record straight away. So reset the counter. Okay, so that's recording. And I just picked a random video off the off YouTube, of course, just to try this with. Oh, that's mine, I think. Gosh, that's a really clean machine, isn't it? Gosh, you can see the reflections. Didn't notice that before. So yeah, that's E2E's nice. So let's just double check. Tracking is all good. Stereo, beta noise reduction. Displays on bright. That's working quite well, even though it's got the older unit for the DC-DC AC. That's fine, happy with that. So we'll just leave that go for a minute. Oh yeah, I forgot to change those. Oh, that was good of me. Anyway, yes. So go to 0. I love the way it does that. Let's press play. That's fine. Race head's working. Oh, still's nice as well. It's working well. Let's give it some sound. The metal components look good. The metal components, all the cans look good. As you can probably spot, so that's reverse. That's not bad at all. That's really good. Oh, bless it. It's working well. Unloading. Fantastic. Very common on these. Super. So I think, obviously you have to give it a good old test now. Give it a good run. But that is all good to go. Yeah, I'll give it another bit of a service as well. I'll just go through it again. Like I said, I'll probably run it now for sort of 20 hours or so with different tapes and do some more recording. Then I'll go through it again to make sure it's okay. And yeah, excellent. Really, really pleased with that. So thank you for watching, and thank you for following this 3-part series on the C9. And see you in a future video.